Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to share your location on WhatsApp. So the first thing that you need to do is just to open your WhatsApp application and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. Okay, now click on privacy. And then here just scroll down until you see your live location, so just click on it. So live location requires background location as well. You can manage this in your device settings. So once you turn on your live location, you can now open a conversation and then send your location. So to do this, just click on this icon. Okay, and then click on location. Okay, that's right. And then here, this is your location. So in order to send that, you just have to click on share live location and then continue. You can also choose a time limit. So right after that, just click on the send icon here, and then from there you'll be able to send your live location to your friend on WhatsApp. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.